In this video, I will guide you on how to enable NSFW spicy mode in Grok. First, launch open the Grok application. Make sure to log into your account. Now, there are two requirements to enable the NSFW in Grok. The first one is that you need a paid subscription. You must have an active X Premium or Super Grok tier. Free tiers do not have access to adult content toggles. Next, your account must be verified 18 years old. Now you want to tap on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here find the option of gear icon and tap on that. This will open up your settings. Now scroll down and find the option of NSFW preferences. Tap on this. Now if you have toggled on the option that says blur mature images and videos, you want to toggle this option off. Now you're going to get all kinds of mature images and videos over here. These preferences can be found in the free account as well. Now, to enable the NSFW, you want to scroll down and tap on the option of data controls. Tap on that. Here, find the option of allow NSFW content. Go ahead and toggle that option on. Once you do that, you have successfully enabled the spicy mode in Grok. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.